So here's Vanessa again, Gingerbread Cottage. I wanted to show you my finished project. Up here I have a beautiful pot with roses and thyme. And you can see my shelves here. They're all painted. Yesterday I put them together. And we'll have a look. Also here, very gorgeous. Here are the roses, beautiful. Beautiful. Here's a wall hanging. This is up by the lavender room, the hanging basket, and the fountain is going. Many birds come and drink from the fountain. Here we have some more roses, dark red, gorgeous roses. Look at them. Yeah, very large, and the yellow ones. Yeah, so it's a very serene, quiet, romantic, idyllic deck. So I hope we'll see you here. Until next time.